Yo, what's up happy people? Isang mapagpalang araw kabilang hali po sa ating lahat. For today's video mga kois magayas ay update po tayo sa ating napakasipag at gwapo na ating buting Yormis Comorino dyan sa City of Manila. Grabe talagang ito yung number 1 na napabili po tayo sa City of Manila, no? Itong Yormis Comorino natin mga kois mga guys, dahil walang katulad po. 24/7 kung magtrabaho, walang kapaguran para sa kanyang constituent. Ayan na po, bumalik na po yung sigla, yung business dyan sa City of Manila mga kois mga guys. Sa pagbalik din ni Yormis Comorino ay talagang makikita po natin pag masipag yung mayor ay talagang babalik at magtitiwala yung mga negosyante mga kois mga gayas. Yan po mapapanood natin sa video ito. Dyan po sa may grand opening of Sun Cafe and Red Planet mga kois mga gayas. Okay? Please para like and search and subscribe. So without further ado, let's begin.
Sa lahat ng viewers ni Dodoy Te, ito, yun, steady lang kayo dyan sa Gedli. Please continue to watch the videos and please do subscribe. Ingat kayo. God first.
Of Manila. Also, nandito rin the owner of Sun Cafe, Miss Aurelia Ortiz. The CEO of Red Planet Philippines, Mr. Florel Yumo. Hotel Manager of Red Planet Manila Binondo, Miss Kana Asumo. Director of Hotel Operations of Red Planet Hotels Philippines, Sir Ramon Milian Jr. PED of Red Planet Hotels Philippines, Mr. Edgardo Paz. And also our team from Red Planet Philippines. Nandito rin si Carl Gawad, the Director of HR. Miss Ann Guado, the Cluster Head Manager. Our HR Manager, Miss Judy Santiago. Our Marketing Manager, Sir Nico Mendiola. And our legal team, presented by Attorney Ann Ortiz. It's a radiant day para sa ating lahat. Palakpakan natin ang lahat ng ating esteemed guests na dumalo sa ating grand opening today. Of course, without further ado, Mayor, would you like to share a few words to all our guests here? Everyone, palakpakan natin, Mayor Isko Moreno Dumagoso.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, to the Red Planet family who's been doing business in the city of Manila. They're all over the city now, and I hope more branches of Red Planet Hotel in the city of Manila. And with that, of course, our nakakatatlo na. Sa tatlong branch ng ating tindahan, itong Sun Cafe, dalawa sa Maynila. Yes! Mukhang maganda ang 2026. Baka mamaya, 5 na. But I'm happy and proud to be here as your city government in our own little way showing to business community across value, across industry, that your city government will always welcome you to the city of Manila. Manila is growing for the past 4 months, and I would like to inform, especially Red Planet, who's catering our visitors in the city. Manila, we just received almost 7,000 in the last 4 months of new businesses in the city because of the rules being reintroduced. It was introduced, that kind of policy, in 2019 and 2022. But it was removed or changed nung mga nakaraang taon. So we went back and put back the policy of ease of doing business in the city. And with that, the market, the business community reacted positively. So that's why we are very excited that if at the rate we're going, there will be more foot traffic in the city of Manila. More foot traffic, more business, more jobs for the people of Manila. And that is our goal. in line with our direction, in our commitment. In the next 10 years, in the City of Manila, your city government will continue to invest in MBN, on NBN. MBN means minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. These are the 4 pillars of services that we, as your government in the City of Manila, will continue to invest heavily so that, para naman tumaas ang antas ng pamumuhay sa lungsod. Manila is old. It is an old city. No comparison to Taguig, Makati Avenue, and so on and so forth. But with that kind of challenges, it is also an asset. This old city has so much history. And with history, we have so much story to tell. Like in the case of where we are right now. This is the first and largest Filipino-Chinese community in the world. This is Chinatown. 1 block away, you have the first in the world outside of Hong Kong. The first Hong Kong Shanghai Bank branch headquarters outside of Hong Kong. And now what we all know, 1919 Cafe. That 1919 Cafe used to be HSBC. In 1919, the word itself, the restaurant itself. So, kaya marami tayong yaman. Ang yaman natin ay kasaysayan. Bagamat tayo'y luma, pero ang trabaho ng gobyerno ay gawin itong maaliwalas. Maaliwalas at panatag ang pamumuhay. So that the businesses can come in and make a living, strive, and hopefully be successful. Malaking merkado ang Maynila. Yan ang asset natin. At palalo pa itong lalaki, huwag kayong magkalala, ay pumanatag kayo in our own little way. I and our city employees, kayong magkalala, magbubuti po kami. Magsisikap kami. I know in your heart, in your mind, there are so many things that bothers you with what's happening in the country. But don't worry, your city government will not participate in creating uncertainty in our country. We will focus on our people, in our city, to each and every family in the city. Kaya itong aming pagpapakita dito ay paraan, maliit namin paraan, ang pagpapakita ng suporta. Kahit nasabi mo 2x2 yan, 2x4 yan, o sa kanto, o sa hotel, we will be there to show our support to the businesses. And that will be. So sa inyo, San Cafe, sa Red Planet, marami pang building dito, tirahin nyo pa. Marami pa dyan. And next year, for the Red Planet, or what you call the hospitality industry, will be a fruitful year for them. Because your country, our country, the Philippines, and our city will be hosting ASEAN. So there will be more and more opportunity for every businesses across industry, no? Kaya magkaya kayo ng magkaya. Maghanap pa kayo ng mga lugar dyan. Maghanap buhay kayo. No harm or disturbance will come to you from the city government. That I guarantee. Gone are the days na sumasakit ang ulo ninyo sa City Hall. No more lonely nights. We will get great certainty. And to the developer, we'd like to inform you, or even your property, ito, dadagdag ko na, sayang naman yung opportunity. Because this is one of the great policy that we call the part of the ease of doing business. In the zoning board, your zoning authority used to require you 22 items to comply with the zoning. I would like to inform you that 2 months ago, I, as your chairman of the zoning board, we made it to 7. From 22 items to 7 items. Now, if you still don't comply and you pay with the requirements, or you need to be exempted in the land use, or you need to comply with 15 items. Now, it's only 5. So that is our commitment testament to show to the industry, the business industry, welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. So muli, congratulations. I'm happy and proud to be here, and I wish that God will always continue to guide and bless each and every one of us. Thank you. Magandang araw. Pagpalain naman kayo ng may kapal. Manila! God first. Thank you.
So ayun nga mga kois, mga guys, no, grabe yung sipag ha. Yung sipag ng ating buting Yormes Moreno na halos walang tulugan para mabantayan yung bawat isang Manilinyo o kahit hindi Manilinyo na nadako dyan sa City of Manila, at yung mga tulunggis na hindi pa rin tumitigil. Ako, magsitigil na kayo ha, dahil nakakalawit na kayo ng mga kapulisyan at ni Yormes Moreno dyan sa City of Manila. Okay, pag-komento po ng iyong mga opinion o reaction sa comment section ng ating video mga kois, mga gayas. At dahil umabot po kayo sa dulo ng ating video, may karapatan po kayong mag-like, shares, and subscribes. So without further, so for now, I'm Gan Manila. God first, God bless all, peace. Bye-bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like